going to be doing this really cool Play-Doh challenge. We are going to be doing a season 4 Play-Doh challenge. So, correct me if I'm wrong, I think we are the first to make a Shopkins season 4 Play-Doh challenge. I don't know. So, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Let me know if someone else did it first. But right now, I'm gonna go with we're doing it first. So, let's start. Okay, so we just moved some stuff out of the way. And we have our Shopkins in here in our Mega Pack box. And we kept this for when we start doing our Shopkins season 4 DIYs. We can use step pictures from the packaging. So let's open it up. Oh, and today is December-thon day 18. Alright, so got all our 40 Shopkins season 4 in here. And we're gonna mix it up. Close our eyes. Alright, so let's keep it like this, and I'll go first. Now, we don't really have to close our eyes because our hand is in a box. I got flushes. This is gonna be really, really hard. Alright, and Maria, your turn.
Does it have to be 3D?
Does not matter.
Ow, I'm hurting myself.
Just pick one.
Okay. I got... Oh, I thought this was
Ice
a
Cream
cupcake.
Queen. Nope, it's Ice Cream Queen.
This really looks like a cupcake.
But it's Ice Cream Queen. You want to do this, so we'll pick 2 Shopkins each, and we'll get to pick from them.
Okay. Whoever you get now, I think you're gonna pick that one because flushes is hard.
Okay, I've got April Apricot.
And I have this point. I really want to change it. Oh, good. Okay, so I got Pancake Jake, right?
Yep.
Pancake Jake. And
I pick
that one.
April Apricot.
So we're gonna do the ones that we just picked right now.
Well, Flushes is definitely my favorite right now, but she's way too complicated to make out of Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So,
Mine can't really be 3D because it's flat.
yeah.
So,
But you still have to make it stand up.
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put the scrap ones back into our little container, and this is not the container where we keep our Shopkins season 4. It's just what we use now, just so it'd be a little bit more fair to pick what we get. So, for this Play-Doh challenge, we will be timed for 10 minutes, and we will fast forward this for half of the time. So for 5 minutes, we will be filming us doing it, and for the other 5 minutes, we will be fast forwarding it for you guys. So we're gonna start off the 5 minutes by just starting to do it. So let's set the timer. 10 minutes. All right. Now let's start. All right. So
I think about but
a little bit of orange. Also
black.
use
We have 2 containers of black, so yeah, it'll be fine.
and some white. And then use some green.
Oh, I needed the white. Okay.
Oh. And green.
I need red. I know it's like purple, but I don't want to make the same color because right here is like blending
So
in. We both have blending in colors.
right now it is at about 4 minutes. So at about 9 minutes, we will start to get that. Oh, well, we'll just look at the timer.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So let's go.
Man, we have a lot of white.
And we're gonna try to make it life-sized or maybe a little bit bigger. Depends on what we do.
I'm very bad at 3D stuff, so I'm happy that I got a flat one. So.
Yeah, as you see in our other Play-Doh videos, which I'll put a link in the description to down below.
We did. For
She
everyone,
always does it
every
flat.
Season. Yeah.
We did one for every season, by the way, and we have.
I think we did
really
2 seasons in one video. I think it was like a random. Well, we haven't done a Play-Doh challenge in a long time, because
So we figured we'll just start.
Mine has a little bit more colors in it. I don't know why. Just in the container, it was like that. So I have to keep it like that. Oh,
Got some orange here.
be very careful with the Play-Doh on this table.
You're making it too flat again. Way too flat again, and I'm around.
Way too flat.
Alright, so this is what I've got so far, and it's pretty terrible. So I'm just going to have to knead this to make it look like it's fading.
Okay, this Play-Doh is just stuck. I know I'm just wasting my time trying to get the Play-Doh off, but good enough.
Okay, I think this is okay, except it's kind of not at all.
Fine. I mean, blending colors and trying to make them seem like it's one-on-one is very hard with Play-Doh, so.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it very well, but we can't really do it that well. So this is what I've got. Oh, this side looks pretty good. Okay, I'll go with this side. So I've got this side, and it looks kind of like it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle with a stab around its head.
It looks like Mikey, kind of.
Oh, it does. Alright. Now I need a knife. A Play-Doh knife, of course. A non-sharp one.
That's kind of thick, so I can put it on here. Yeah, that's good. Well, this is gonna be hard. I hate eyes that go around. I like ones that wink because they're easier.
Yeah.
This Play-Doh is hard.
Looks like a piece of cheese. I'm failing.
I see.
Okay, what
Oh.
time?
My Play-Doh fell.
Alright, so we're gonna fast forward it about now. this is mine. Looks very nice.
These are very hard to do.
Compared to this one, this is how it looks like. Woo, totally looks the same. You're right. And Anna Maria's.
April
This is
apricot
Pancake Jake.
is way
This is
better
her Pancake Jake.
than the season 3 Peachy.
Yeah.
Cuter.
Alright, so let us know in the comments below, who do you think won? And based on that, we will know the winner. So thank you guys so much for watching December-thon Day 18. And also, we'll leave a link in the description below to more Playdoh challenges. We'll also leave a link to more December-thon. And we'll leave a link to some more Shopkins. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.